Dear friends, greeting from the online support. My name is Suyo and I welcome all of you to the online support. In this video, we are going to talk about the hiring process of the Wipro Limited. Wipro has starting its application for the post of uh, project engineer, and it's a full-time job. The application deadline for this is 31st January 2022, and the CTC offered by a company is 3.5 lakh per annum, and 3.5 lakh per annum. And the registration for this elite NTS 2022 is open from the 15th December 2021, and the on and the and the online assessment and the online assessment will be held in between 12th January in between 12th January and 12th January to the 7th February. Then the eligibility criteria for this drive is for educational criteria, for 10th and 12th standard you should have the aggregate of more than 60% percent. And for the graduation you should have the you should have minimum 60% or the equivalent or the equivalent CGPA to 60% or above, uh, above, as applicable by your university guidelines. And you should and the only full time course is allowed, no part time. And the distance learning education is allowed is not allowed in this hiring process. And those who have completed their graduation in the year of 2022-2021, and even though those who are in their final year, they can also apply for this drive. And the qualification or the graduation criteria is, you should have compulsory completed your BE Tech, which is the compulsory degree, or MEM Tech, which is 5-year integrated course. And Wipro has allowed all the branches except these 2 to 3 branches, which is the fashion technology, textile engineering, and the agriculture and technology. And the designation is the project and the applications and the designation is the project engineer. Okay, then as I told that the com told that the CTC will be 3.5 lakh per annum. And main part is that you have to sign a bond of 12 month. If you break this bond within the 12 month post the joining, then you have to pay the 75,000 to the company. And here are the and here are the and the main. Yeah, and then you have to pay the 75,000 if you break the bond. And these are the some most important guidelines uh, which are related to the backlogs. One backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. It means that if you are having any backlog, suppose if you are having a backlog and you apply for this drive, then you are eligible, and then you are eligible to take the assessment test. Then the offer will be subjected to the backlogs being clear. uh, it means that when you get an offer, that time you should not have any current backlog or any pending works. Okay, max to max 3 years of gap in education is allowed from 10 to the graduation. It means that yeah, they allow, if you are having uh, up to 3 years gap in the graduation from 10 to the B or B Tech, and should be from a full-time degree, as I mentioned earlier. Then should be from a full-time degree course recognized by the central or state government of the India. Okay. uh, okay, then last one is the all arrays and backlogs need to be clear at the time of selection process. Yeah, this point, as I have already uh, I have already told to you that you have to clear all your backlogs while appearing this exam or the assessment test. And the then the participating and the main and this point is also important, that the candidate who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible, and you should be an Indian citizen, uh, citizen for you should be you should be an Indian citizen, or if you should be an Indian citizen. And this is also an important point while appearing the exam or for registration for doing registration to this drive. And this is all about the selection process, or the all the or the related to the CTC and the bond or the educational criteria. If you wish to apply for this drive, then apply as early as possible. uh, we the last date for the application is the 31st January 2022. And all the best for your exam and the uh, interview. If Thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.